Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Tech It's Simple. Today, in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can log into your Vensure employee account. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure your PC is connected to a secure internet, and we will use Google Chrome as our default web browser. In the search bar above, you can just type in Vensure employee login. After that, various options will appear in your interface, and we will click on the first search result, which will lead us to the login web page. On the left-hand side, you can find various options where you can find Client Manager Login, Send Smart System Login, but we are clicking on Employee Login. Finally, we are on the login web page where you can input your credentials, your username, password, and just click Login. Congratulations! You are logged into your Vensure employee account. If you forgot your username or password, you can just click Forgot Your Username or Forgot Password button. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, guys. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all so you'll never miss any updates. Feedback and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.